Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing the first of a series of recipes. I'm going to be doing a series for spring featuring lemon flavored foods and desserts. The first one I'm going to be sharing is Lemon Gooey Butter Cake. If you're familiar with the Paula Deen Gooey Butter Cake, then you're absolutely going to love the Lemon Gooey Butter Cake. I think lemon just sounds like spring, screaming spring, and all things new. So I'm excited to share this first recipe with you. So let's get started and let me show you what you need and how we're going to put it together. Okay, for the first layer, and I will have the ingredients listed on the screen and the recipe in the description box. You're going to need 1 box of lemon cake mix, 1 egg, 1 stick of melted butter, the zest of a lemon, and the juice of a lemon. It does call for juice or lemon extract, but I don't have any, so I'm just using the juice. For the next layer, you're going to need 16 ounces or 2 cups of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 stick of butter softened, 2 eggs, and the zest of a lemon and the juice of a lemon. Okay, let's get started. This is going to come together so easy. I think you're going to love it. We are going to bake this at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. The first thing I'm going to do, I've got my glass mixing bowl here, is I'm going to melt my butter in the microwave. I hope that you are not distracted by my dishwasher in the background. Let's melt this butter. Okay, we have our melted butter. We're going to add in our lemon cake mix. I absolutely love lemon. It's one of my favorite things, especially in the spring and summer. It's just so refreshing. I do have a couple lemon recipes already on my channel, so I will share those down in the box as well. I have a lemonade pie that is amazing, and it's so perfect for the 4th of July. Let's mix this up first. And then we're going to add in our egg. Okay. Then let's add in our zest. Rinse my lemon off. You want to just get the yellow part of it so you don't get that pith in it because it can make it bitter. And this is just going to brighten up that flavor of lemon. It's going to be so good. Now we're going to cut our lemon in half and juice our lemon. Let me move my mixer on this side so you all can see a little bit better. Sorry about that. Oops. There's a juicy lemon. Now let's mix it up. All right, let's get our pan. My son still has my good baking sheet, so I'm using this one. Let's grease it really well. Spray it. Let me know if you've been to the Paula Deen restaurant, if you've ever tried the gooey butter cake. I've made the gooey butter cake a bunch of times. Our church, the youth group, would do fundraisers, and I was the gooey butter girl. I was asked to bring gooey butter to sell almost every time. That and chicken casserole for the meals, which I guess is a compliment. That means they like it. This is honestly so easy. And you can do these gooey butter cakes, I'm thinking about any flavor. I do think you have to make some different, adjustments to it for different recipes. But I know that people's made like pumpkin and red velvet and chocolate and so forth and so on. So I'll probably be sharing some of those too in a series. I love to do a series. I just think it's fun and it's neat. I'm gonna have to put some powdered sugar a little bit on my hands to rub this down because it is sticky. You see how I'm doing that? All right, so that's literally your bottom half is just that. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Now we're going to put together the top part. The first thing we're going to do is soften our cream cheese and butter. Let me move this out of the way. We can use that same bowl. We don't have to dirty another bowl. My husband's my little dishwasher. He has OCD about keeping stuff clean, and so do I, so we do good together. But anyway, he usually washes the dishes. We have a dishwasher, but he helps. You know, you have to hand wash a lot of things. But he's nice to wash them. I don't ask him, he just does it. Okay, let's put this in the microwave and melt it or soften it. All right, so we've got our cream cheese and butter softened. We're just going to use that same mixer and get those two blended. I'm telling you guys, this is so easy. Adding in 16 ounces or 2 cups of powdered sugar. Let's go ahead and zest our lemon. Let's go ahead and zest our lemon. Just want to go over it like that. Just get a little bit of that yellow. Fresh citrus or herbs will brighten up any dish. Just makes it feel elevated, I think, too. Okay. Now let's put in our our juice. Okay, that's with this. First layer back over here. Scrape down the sides. We're just going to pour that right on top. And that's as easy as it gets, folks. Then we're going to bake this on 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. And then I'll show you how we're going to finish it off, and we'll do a taste test. All right, our lemon gooey butter cake just came out of the oven. I'm going to let it completely cool, and then we're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar over it and slice it and do a taste test. Okay, to finish up our recipe, let's see. It's a little bit warm still, but I think it's okay. We're just going to take some powdered sugar with a little sifter here and just put a little bit of that all over it. Just makes it look pretty. Let me cut a little piece and we'll do a taste test. And this is my first time making the lemon. I'll just cut a small piece. Okay, so let's take a bite. Lemon. I love gooey butter cake. Smells good. That is so good. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet, and that lemon is just shining through. It's delicious. All right, well, I hope you all make this. I thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications, because like I said, I'm going to be filming a lemon series, and you don't want to miss any of those recipes. The first one, the lemon gooey butter cake. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.